Today we are going to be talking about the article, which is climate change that is increasing the likelihood of extreme autumn wildfires in California. So the observation that was done and the study that was done was to quantify observed changes in the currents and the magnitude of the meteorological factors that enable extreme wildfires. So basically saying what causes these extreme wildfires, and they use a climate model simulation to see if these factors are what cause the fires, and to see if they are caused by humans as well. A new fact about it is that the state's single deadliest wildfires took place in 2017 and 2018, which caused over 30,000 structures to burn down, including the entire Sierra Nevada foothill. These studies show that the demographic and forest management factors alone are hard to explain the magnitude of the observed increase in wildfire extent over the past half century. So basically, they're trying to see the demographics and the forest magnitude factor in on these wildfires. And this has drastically increased in the past half century. The five warmest years took place during 2014 and 2018. And typically these wildfires are seemingly seen to start up during the spring and summer because of the decrease of rain that takes place during these seasons. Anthropogenic climate forcing has enhanced the probability of wildfires. So the anthropogenic climate changes has been a big factor in why the wildfires are enhanced and increased. So what they did was they took a gridded meteorology data, which was used to calculate seasonal temp, precipitation, and the fire weather index for the autumn, and this gave them a mean of what the percentage is and how these factor in for these extreme wildfires. The climate model simulation suggests that the likelihood of North and South California simultaneously increases in extreme wildfire since the mid-century. So the model of the climate simulation suggests that this always increases, or has been increasing for at least half a century, and this links with the FWI model that they also used for their data. Climate change is one of many factors that can be caused for these fires. So it's not just climate change. There's other stuff that takes place, like the temperature, the decrease of rain, the vegetation, stuff like that. 88% of fires and 92% of burnt area during these autumn fires were human caused. So that just goes to show you that at least 88% to 92% of these burned areas are caused by humans. But climate change has driven artifact is that the vegetation through the state is becoming increasingly flammable, setting the stage for extreme burning conditions given ignition and weather conditions. So basically it's saying that the fires need some sort of ignition and weather condition for them to get this extreme. And this article just shows to you that climate change is being observed for these crazy wildfires, because these wildfires are still going on to this day. There's a fire going on right now, and it's crazy that they're hard to control. And yes, that's if you have any questions, you can leave a tweet or you can ask away.